seems to be well bonded. It's pretty damp and cold, but I think a quick sand on this side, coat of epoxy, tossing up about doing a half round on the edge. I'll fill the recess here with 291. I've got new connections for the mixer, much longer, so it'll be so much easier to do it up, and a longer hose for the shower. It was sunny yesterday. Today's been grey and on and off rain, so certainly we are now keeping well up on the charge. The rain has set in. Well, it was forecast to rain this afternoon. We will try a round over bit with the bearing running on the surface here. Oh, I think that's cleaned up the edge enough. It is pretty wet now. Oh, it's pretty dark now. Even the camera's got its light on. So another coat on top and around the bare edge. Our progress is being made. Now we have new beams, new joists, just about ready for decking. I've got the Admiral inspecting the worksite on the drawbridge. Well, after very heavy rain late yesterday and through the night, it's turned into a very nice day. Well, the plan is to glue the bench top onto the bench and probably cove it. Epoxy glue all around. Micro balloon resin mix this time. Can be reasonably runny. Filled around the edges. Put a skim coat over the top. Done. Of course, it's now started raining. Good thing is that with the incessant rain, it's pretty obvious we have no leaking windows anymore. We've got the hangers in somewhat. Stainless steel bolts, connectors. Yeah, they're going to be working their way around the west side, so anti-clockwise around the house. I've rescued some of the bigger timbers, make good blocking for my projects. Well, that seems to come out pretty well. Bit of a major sand now. It's flattened off nicely after a coarse sand. Now for a fine sand. Now I wonder if I can get some filler on and then some undercoat today. But this is the repair over the top of the rudder stock, so I've sanded it. We have epoxy, we have filler, we have some patching. Done. Let's see if we can speed it on its way. Oh, it's such a nice day. I think we can get some undercoat on. I suspect I've mixed far too much of it, but anyway, we will do this bit first. Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, that bit's done. All this is done, including down there and along here. Well, maybe tomorrow, if the weather's good, sand 2 coats of top coat. That would be great. Well, sometime later, this is dry. Bench is still soft because I laid it on pretty thick there, but I think the dew should stay off it, so it should all dry overnight. Scaffolding's going up. They're apparently coming back tomorrow morning to finish it off. I don't think we'll be painting top coat today. It's raining. The undercoat's all good. It's got water on it now, but hasn't caused any trouble. Down here, there's a drain vent, and there is some rot in there. We'll do an investigation with the multi-tool. Grandad taking hinges off the doors so we can give them a sand. And of course it's raining. Using Grandad's pocket knife to have first approximation as to the area. Well, for once the area of problem is actually smaller than I thought. So we'll make that square and make up a patch. Well, there we go. Epoxy gap filling will be pressed into use. But clean it. This is the drain for the sink, and the washer's broken, so we'll need to come up with a plan B. Some pewter should do the job. Just need to connect it up now. Right, done. Fix for loose screw holes is toothpicks or matchsticks with epoxy. So it gets the epoxy into the cracks, fills the holes up. Need to remember to re-drill them, not just force the screws in. Looks like the scaffolders have finished. And the east side. Well, the scaffolders come back and it's got a few planks to put it in before the rain starts. Oh, I'm getting my morning workout by carrying this down for him.